Spring into Easter with CVS. They make it so simple and easy to decorate, celebrate, and gift all the special people in your life.
CVS sent me a box, y'all. Let's see what we got. Okay, first of all, can we first get into this? This is a pillowcase, y'all, and this was the ears of the box. Like, how clever, how so cute, so soft. I can't wait to lay on it. Next step, we have a Peeps throw blanket. Like, how cute is that, y'all? Y'all know CVS got all the goods. Like, CVS is in everybody's neighborhood, so if you haven't got your baby a gift yet, my gosh, y'all, I'm about to make CJ a little gift basket. Like, he'll be so excited. This is his first Easter that he can remember. Look at that teddy bear. We all know CVS got the nicest, softest teddy bears. Oh. This one might be mine. I don't know. Y'all, Easter is right around the corner, and CVS is too. Don't have no excuses as to why you ain't got your baby a nice little gift basket to wake up to. Oh. Okay, look at that, y'all. We gonna make an Easter basket for CJ. We got the grass, more nails. Y'all know I love my little press-on nails. CVS got you all day, baby. We got a Peeps bath bomb. Some nice lashes. Lip gloss, okay. This lip gloss. Okay. Oh. Like, look at that shine. And it's so thick and moisturizing. Like, it's not just one of them lip glosses that go on your lips and make your lips feel dry, like they needed like lotion underneath. Like, although my boo always telling me they're so sticky, tomorrow. That's cute. And we got a CoverGirl liner, which I'm gonna have to try. Okay, y'all, I'm getting into my makeup season in my life, so cute. A nice chocolate bunny. Oh. Y'all, do you know CVS got a gift for everybody, okay? We have some solar system chalk, and CJ's gonna have so much fun with this, okay? Here's this little Easter basket. Gonna take the tag off, boom. Cottondale Easter grass, like you can literally get all this from CVS. One-stop shop, you know? If you're not, like, I didn't go anywhere. I haven't got no gift for CJ, so here we go. I'll put that in there like that. Boom, boom. Like that. I'm gonna plop these little teddy bears in there. Boom. Boom. Look at me curate my own little basket, okay? I'm gonna put that in there. Oh, that might just have to be on the side. Bomb for his bath time. I'm gonna keep the pillowcase. I'll give him the Peeps, or I might keep the Peeps too. Get him some little chocolate in there. Look, mommy got some gifts and baby gets gifts. And voila. I'm ready. Easter, okay? I'm ready for Easter like I never been ready. So just go to your local CVS, grab some toys for your kids, and you know, have a good Easter, y'all.